Hi, it's Kiffin Lebates here, and today I thought I'd talk a bit about blockchain security and a gap that I see in the tools and plans that are available in order to truly assess the reliability and strength of given blockchain or DLT systems. So in the traditional world of, for example, Linux databases and websites and stuff like that, there are a very large number of automation tools that you can use in order to test the system. And there are also lots of lists of test plans that you can refer to, which basically give you a checklist of what you need to look at in order to ensure that a particular setup is secure. And I'm thinking here, for example, of Kali Linux, which comes with hundreds of these kind of tools, allowing you to do all sorts of vulnerability assessments, stress testing, replay attacks, and there's just fuzzes, things like that. There are heaps and heaps of tools, SQL injection testing, that you can basically fire up very, very quickly and use to check that your particular web app or database or API is correctly secured. Now, when I look at blockchain, particularly all these new DLT and blockchain technologies that people are announcing all the time, it's a bit more of a painful process to try and work out if the implementation really is as good as the glowing white paper that comes on the website says it is. And there's some basic digging that you can do very quickly. You read the paper, and I find that I can fairly quickly work out whether the person who's written it actually understands some of the issues that surround having an open blockchain. If they haven't considered Sybil attacks, for example, or replay attacks, then it's obviously not going to be a very good system. But even if the person working on it thinks that they grasp the subtleties of a consensus system in an open blockchain, it's just far too easy to make mistakes. Even in Ethereum, that has had a lot of manpower thrown into it, all sorts of vulnerabilities have cropped up and been patched. So if it's a small new system, even if it's 4 or 5 years old, but if only 1 or 2 people have been working on it, chances are that there could be some serious security flaws. And given that some of these systems have raised tens of thousands of euros or dollars, not tens of thousands, tens of millions of dollars or euros in ICOs, for example, there's real money there that hackers are itching to get their hands on. So I guess what I'm calling for here is some kind of attempt to formalize what kind of issues need to be examined in a new blockchain system, and possibly to start building some security testing tools. I think it's going to be a long way down the line before we have anything as sort of integrated as Kali Linux, but it's worth getting a start on. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting. Keep it in mind if you're looking to buy some tokens in a brand new blockchain system. These things require testing, and most of them haven't had it yet. And see you in the next video. Bye for now.